So what is the need for clean water in Islamabad? Believe it or not, we are less than 2 miles away from the Prime Minister's residence in Islamabad, built up city. But unfortunately, this is the condition, like I say, less than 2 miles away of the water situation. Now, there is no infrastructure here provided, so the people have resorted to their own methods of providing themselves with water. Now, as you can see, this water here is severely contaminated. This is actually clean water pipes that you can see inside sewage. So the sewage runs through this gully, through this little valley, and inside it you have got the pipework which contains the clean, well, supposedly clean water. This is the reason why we've got such contamination here. It just goes on and on and on like this throughout this village of 40 to 50,000 people. As you can see, you know, you've got chickens living in the same water, you've got sewage. The level of contamination is extraordinary, and you'll continue to see how bad it is. No infrastructure. I mean, this is the main way into parts of the village, and you know, people have got to get through here, and they've had to carry water on their shoulders to try and bring it, or resort to just drinking this dirty, filthy water. You can see in the distance there a masjid. That's a mosque that's being built at the moment. Right next door to that mosque is a plant that Task Force GLM have built with your very kind donation and your funding. So here you can actually see there's the sewage pipe dropping sewage into the same area where you've got the clean water pipes. And these people, you know, in these villages, they live, you know, in extremely abject poverty, and it's difficult for them to even invest in pipe work. You can see here it's even protruding from the ground. Here's the sewage pipe that you can see, sewage pipes which are broken in the middle, mixed with clean water. You can see the clean water pipes, they're deep, going through the same sewage pipes. And here is the mosque which is being built, and next door to it is the plant. Now this plant will cost you just £5,500 to be able to provide water forever for these people. This is a Sadaqah Jariyah project that you will benefit from, maybe not even in your lifetime here, but definitely on the other side. So if you'd like to be a part of this project, go online, taskforceglm.org/water, to help us continue building plants like this and provide water into some of the worst regions that you could imagine.